Water is amazing. It's everywhere, in our drinks, in plants, in animals, keeping all living things alive. Imagine a world without water. Dry, empty, lifeless. But thankfully, water is always on the move, making life possible. Let's dive into its incredible journey. Water helps us grow. It keeps us healthy and strong. When we drink water, it hydrates our bodies, helping our organs function properly. Athletes drink water to stay energized and perform their best. Plants need water to grow tall and produce fruits and flowers. Without water, our gardens would wither, and our crops would fail. Water is also crucial for our hygiene. We use it to wash our hands, take showers, and brush our teeth. Water takes an incredible journey. Through the water cycle, it moves, changes, and keeps our planet alive. It starts with evaporation, where heat turns water into vapor. This vapor forms clouds, leading to rain or snow that returns water to the earth. Rivers and streams carry it back to the oceans, and the cycle repeats. This endless movement keeps our water fresh, helps plants grow, and sustains all life. The sun is big and bright. It shines down on the earth. When the sun shines on water, something amazing happens.
The water gets warm from the sun's hug. It's like a warm bath for the water.
When water gets warm, it turns into something special. It becomes a gas called water vapor. It's like magic.
The water vapor is so light it floats up into the air. Up, up, and away.
High in the sky, the air is much cooler. Brrr! When the warm water vapor meets the cool air, it changes again.
The tiny water vapor droplets huddle together. They form tiny drops of water or even tiny pieces of ice.
All those tiny water droplets and ice crystals join together. They make clouds. Clouds are fluffy and white like cotton candy in the sky. Some clouds are big and puffy. Others are long and thin. What shapes do you see?
Rain, rain, go away, never. Rain is a wonderful gift from nature. It brings joy to children who love to dance in it, and it makes flowers bloom beautifully. Imagine a world without rain. It would be dry and lifeless. Rain is essential for all living things.
When the clouds get full of water droplets, they get heavy. These water droplets come from the water vapor that rises from the Earth's surface. As the vapor cools, it condenses into tiny droplets that form clouds. Over time, these droplets combine to form larger droplets, making the clouds heavier and darker.
Just like when you drink too much juice. Imagine drinking a huge glass of juice. At first it feels refreshing, but as you keep drinking, your stomach starts to feel full. Eventually you can't hold any more juice and you need to let it out. That's exactly what happens with clouds.
The clouds can't hold all that water anymore. So, what happens? The droplets start to fall to the ground as rain. This process is called precipitation. Precipitation can come in many forms, including rain, snow, sleet, and hail. But today, we're focusing on rain.
It rains! Rain is crucial for our environment. It waters our gardens, helps farmers grow crops, and fills our rivers and lakes. Without rain, we wouldn't have the lush green landscapes we enjoy. Rain also helps to clean the air by washing away dust and pollutants.
Raindrops fall from the sky, watering the plants and filling the rivers and lakes. This water cycle is a continuous process that sustains life on Earth. The rainwater seeps into the ground, replenishing underground water sources, which are vital for drinking water and irrigation. So next time it rains, remember that it's not just a wet day, it's a life-giving event. Snowflakes, hailstones, and more. Sometimes when it's very cold, the water droplets in the clouds freeze. They turn into beautiful snowflakes. Each snowflake is unique and special. If the water droplets get tossed around in the cloud, they can become hailstones, little balls of ice. The magical journey never ends. The rain, snow, and hail fall to the ground. Then guess what? The sun warms the water again and it starts to evaporate. The journey begins all over again. It's a magical cycle that never stops. Water is amazing, isn't it? Be a water detective. You can see the water cycle happening everywhere. From the clouds forming in the sky to the rivers flowing into the ocean, water is constantly moving and changing. This cycle is essential for life on Earth. It helps to regulate our climate, provides fresh water for drinking, and supports all living organisms. By understanding the water cycle, we can better appreciate the natural world and the resources it provides. Look for clues around you. As a water detective, your mission is to observe and understand how water moves and changes in your environment. Pay attention to the small details, like the way water droplets form on leaves or how puddles evaporate after a rainstorm. These clues can tell you a lot about the water cycle and how it affects the world around you. See the steam rising from your bath? That's evaporation. When water is heated, it turns into steam and rises into the air. This is the first step in the water cycle. The steam will eventually cool and condense to form clouds. This process is happening all around us, all the time. Next time you take a bath or boil a pot of water, think about how you're witnessing evaporation in action. Notice the dew on the grass in the morning? That's condensation. When the air cools down at night, the water vapor in the air turns back into liquid water, forming tiny droplets on surfaces like grass and leaves. This is another important part of the water cycle. Condensation helps to return water to the Earth's surface, where it can be used by plants and animals. The water cycle is magical and fun. Think about how rain falls from the sky, filling rivers and lakes, and eventually making its way back to the ocean. This continuous movement of water is what keeps our planet alive. Playing in the rain or watching a waterfall can be a great way to connect with nature and see the water cycle in action. Remember, every drop of water is part of this incredible journey. Keep exploring and learning about the world around you. Being a water detective means always being curious and asking questions. How does water get from the ocean to the clouds? What happens to rainwater after it falls to the ground? By exploring these questions, you can learn more about the water cycle and the important role it plays in our environment. So grab your magnifying glass, put on your detective hat, and start your adventure today.